Alberto saying, do you think immigration can give me trouble in my interview because I have 2 kids? They're born almost the same time I was married with another girl.
What do you think? He's asking a question. He's married to one woman, and he has 2 children out of wedlock, born to 2 other women. And he wants to be able to prove to immigration that his marriage to his current wife that he's going into is legit.
Yeah,
and he's asking that question. What do you think, Vanessa? If you were an immigration officer, would you believe that his marriage is legit?
Well, we're hopping around out wedlock.
Yes. So the presumption is the answer is they're going to give you a problem because the presumption is that you're not in a bona fide marriage with your wife, that you're hopping in the sack with every person who walks down the street. So you got to prove that either your wife approves of this lifestyle that you're living, all right? Because some people have open marriages,
open, mutual,
all right, or that she has forgiven you and you've strayed, or whatever the situation is. But we had that call just from the woman from San Antonio. And she's same topic. But she only had 1 kid.
Right.
This guy had 2 kids at the same time with 2 different women.
Yeah, that doesn't look too good.
Yeah, a little suspect.
Suspect.
Yeah.
Yes. They're going to suspect you, but you can overturn that burden. I mean, but you got to prove that, this is love.
Yeah, so you got to pull out all of your receipts.
Yes.
That's what that sounds like.
Yes.
Queen of My Castle Lee says, after you get your receipt from the USCIS to get your work permit/green card, what's the next step?
Wait for a biometric appointment. Go for your biometrics, and then ultimately you'll get your work permit and combo card if you applied for it, and then eventually you'll get an interview for your green card.
Okay, Maron saying, I applied for the I-751 removal 14 months ago, and the USCIS sent me a letter last week saying they transferred my case to the Benefits Center. My question is, do you think it's going to affect my case, and what's next?
I think they just transferred it there because they don't have an interview slot for you, but eventually you'll get an interview. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.